Up next is part 2 of another one of our Pacific Expedition style research trips. We're with scientists from National Marine Fisheries scouring the islands of Molokai and Lanai hunting for Hawaiian monk seals, a critically endangered species. Don't take us seriously out here. Aloha and welcome to Pacific Expeditions. Let's get straight back out on board Maui Jim and finish part 2 of our fishing expedition around the island of Molokai. We're hunting the critically endangered Hawaiian monk seal along with researchers from National Marine Fisheries. That's a nice one there. This expedition will take 3 days and 2 nights, and researchers need to eat, so we lay in stores as we troll the coast looking for seals. The island of Molokai, although centrally located in the Hawaiian island chain, is lightly populated and has miles and miles of beaches frequented by few humans. The Hawaiian monk seal is a shy animal that usually avoids people, so in recent years they have taken to Molokai in a big way. While much of the dramatic coast is exposed to the open ocean, the leeward side of Kalaupapa Peninsula has a beautiful powdery beach with protected lagoon. Kalaupapa offers the seals 2 protections. One is a seal pup nursery due to the beach protected from the weather, and the other through protection from humans offered by the restrictions on access due to its history as a refuge for patients with Hansen's disease, and continuing limited access as it is now becoming a national park. The empty sand beaches of the West End offer quiet resting spots for adult seals. The Hawaiian monk seal is considered critically endangered, but this combination of elements appears to be contributing to a local increase in population. In order to assess how important Molokai might be to the survival of the species, we joined forces with the scientists of the Hawaiian monk seal research team and the crew of Maui Jim. In the first episode, we checked in on the women keeping tabs on the nursery at Kalaupapa, but more importantly found a mature female near La'au Point that was not known to science prior to our discovery. Although she spooked and disappeared into the ocean before Dr. Littman could mark her with a bleach code, their photos documented that one more animal could be added to the census, which is one more hope for their survival. While researchers attend to their science, Captain Seth of Maui Jim is relentless in his quest to catch a trevally along the remote and seldom fished coast of Molokai. Okay, let's take a look at what we've learned about the Hawaiian monk seal. It is one of only 2 mammals native to Hawaii, and it's now a critically endangered species. But what exactly does that mean? Well, it means that there are just under 1,200 Hawaiian monk seals left on the planet. And since these seals evolved and now live only in Hawaii, and they're thousands of miles from any other type of seals, the situation is one that is entirely managed only here in Hawaii. Currently, there are some 1,000 Hawaiian monk seals living in the northwest Hawaiian Islands, but their population is going down. There are only about 100 Hawaiian monk seals living in the mains, but these seals are multiplying and this population seems to be going up, but the numbers are not going up high enough or fast enough to save the species. Sharks are a common threat to seals in both island groups, but the Galapagos shark appears to cause more seal mortality in the Northwest Islands than the tiger shark does in the main Hawaiian Islands. Competition for food and starvation is also a problem in the Northwest, but does not appear to be a problem in the mains. National Marine Fisheries is working with folks like us and Maui Jim to get the word out on what people should expect if they encounter a seal, as these encounters are becoming more frequent. When more people encounter seals, it can give the impression that the seal populations are fine and increasing, but that is statistically incorrect and just one of the many ironies of the situation. Through National Geographic's CritterCam, we have showed you what an incredible animal the Hawaiian monk seal is, and we're amazed to learn that this seal can navigate out in the open ocean more than 20 miles, dive down more than 1,500 feet where there's absolutely zero light, find small feeding grounds, little